That's the floor. That's the table. That's a frying pan. That's a bowl. They're vegetables. That's a saucepan. They're scales. That's a woman. That's a boy. That's a chair. That's a vacuum cleaner. That's an ironing board. That's a chair. That's a girl. That's a stool. That's a broom. That's a bin. That's a dish towel. That's the fridge. They're cupboards. That's a jug. That's a glass. That's the sink. That's the wall. They're taps. That's a calendar. That's the cooker. That's a teapot. They're shelves. They're mugs. They're mugs. That's a washing machine. That's a microwave. That's a kettle. That's a notice board. That's the wall.